The opening phase focuses on assessing and safely recovering a severely neglected vehicle. The work begins with careful inspection in the forest to understand structural damage, followed by clearing debris, checking the undercarriage and interior, and securing proper towing points. Once the car is freed from the mud and transported, the arrival at the workshop marks the shift from recovery to restoration, setting the stage for systematic cleaning, disassembly, and repair in the next steps. This car was once abandoned, rusted, broken, and forgotten. Today it lives again. If this restoration inspired you, support us by subscribing. Share this video, leave a comment, and become part of this journey. More restorations are coming. The second phase focuses on revealing the car's true condition. High-pressure washing removes years of mud, moss, and organic buildup from the body, undercarriage, and suspension, while interior vacuuming clears compacted dirt from inside the cabin. Once the debris is gone, deep corrosion, structural damage, and worn components become fully visible, allowing a clear and honest assessment before moving on to disassembly and metal repair.
Running my hand over the door, the pitting is severe. The corrosion patterns indicate major weak points along the structure here.
In this stage, the car is fully stripped down to its core. Major exterior panels, glass, interior components, suspension, brakes, and electrical systems are carefully removed and organized. Each step exposes deeper corrosion and hidden damage, allowing a clear assessment of what needs repair or replacement. By the end of this phase, only the bare rusted shell and frame remain, setting a solid foundation for the structural repairs and rust treatment in the next stages. In this stage, the focus is fully on structural integrity. Loose corrosion is removed by hand sanding and grinding, badly damaged metal is cut away, and new steel patches are welded in place. The frame is reinforced, welds are smoothed, and every exposed surface is sealed with anti-rust coating before curing. Careful inspection confirms the body is solid again, even though everything still looks dull and unfinished, setting the foundation for proper body shaping and paint preparation next. If you enjoyed watching this incredible transformation from a forgotten rusted supercar into a machine reborn, don't forget to subscribe for more full restorations like this. Leave a comment below and tell us what car we should restore next. And share this video with fellow car lovers. Your support helps keep these restorations alive. In this stage, the entire body is carefully refined for paint. After smoothing every panel through detailed sanding, body filler is applied to correct remaining imperfections and reshaped until the contours are true. Once the surface is even, a full primer coat seals the metal and filler, creating a uniform base. The army green color is then sprayed in controlled layers, building depth gradually before being locked in with clear coat. After curing, the once rusted shell finally transforms into a smooth, glossy body, marking a major milestone in the restoration journey. With the paint fully cured, the build moves into reassembly and interior work. The doors and windshield are carefully refitted, followed by new suspension, brakes and wheels to restore safe driving dynamics. Inside, years of grime are removed, restored seats are installed, and a fresh dashboard brings the cabin back to life. Electrical systems are checked to ensure everything functions correctly, ending with an interior that feels clean, solid, and ready for the road again. In this stage, the focus shifts to systems and finishing work that transform the restoration into a fully functional car. The battery and cooling systems are carefully reinstalled and inspected, followed by software diagnostics to confirm everything communicates correctly. Lighting and electronics are tested to ensure safety and reliability. Once mechanical confidence is established, attention moves to paint correction, polishing the clear coat in stages to achieve depth and clarity. Wheels, glass and exterior details are refined, leading into a thorough final inspection. With every system checked and the finish perfected, the car stands complete and ready for its first drive. At this final stage, the restored Tesla is carefully brought back into daylight and tested on the road. Gentle driving confirms smooth power delivery, stable handling, and flawless mechanical performance. After stopping in an open area, the focus shifts to showcasing the transformation from the deep gloss of the paint to the clean, refined interior. With final visual checks complete, the project concludes with a fully restored Tesla Roadster, ready to return to the road in factory-like condition. Thank you for watching this full restoration. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to share this video with friends who love cars and restorations. See you in the next project.